Welcome to Decor Insider. Living in a tiny apartment can sometimes feel like you're in a constant battle against space. You love your home, but every corner seems to fill up quickly, and before you know it, clutter takes over. Truth is, you don't need a big apartment to live comfortably or even beautifully. What you need is creativity and a few clever hacks that make the most out of every inch. I've seen how small spaces can transform into cozy, functional, and stylish homes with just a few smart changes. Today, I'm going to share 20 genius hacks for tiny apartments that will help you maximize your space without sacrificing comfort or style. From using your ceiling for storage to choosing multifunctional furniture, these ideas are practical, budget-friendly, and easy to try. Now let's dive into hack number 1. Use the ceiling for storage. One of the most overlooked spaces in tiny apartments is the ceiling. Think about it, your walls and floor get all the attention, but your ceiling usually sits empty. Installing hanging baskets or pot racks is a game changer. In the kitchen, a ceiling-mounted pot rack not only frees up your cabinets but also adds a professional, modern touch. In a bedroom, lightweight hanging shelves can hold plants, books, or storage baskets for seasonal clothes. Trick is to keep things organized so it feels intentional and not cluttered. When done right, ceiling storage makes your home feel like it has hidden superpowers. Choose multifunctional furniture. In small apartments, every piece of furniture should work double duty. Think about ottomans with hidden compartments, a sofa that transforms into a bed, or a side table with drawers. For example, a tufted ottoman looks elegant in your living room, but inside it you can store blankets or board games. A sofa bed is perfect for when guests come over, so you don't need to squeeze in an extra bed. This kind of furniture doesn't just save space. It also keeps your apartment looking polished and organized. Install a foldable or Murphy desk/table. If you work from home or need a dining table, but your apartment doesn't have the space, a foldable Murphy desk is your best friend. These desks mount on the wall and fold down only when you need them. During the day, it can be your home office. At dinner time, it transforms into a dining table. When you're done, fold it back up and your space instantly feels open again. Keep things stylish. Match the desk finish with your wall color so it blends in when folded. Headboards with built-in shelves. Instead of squeezing in bedside tables, upgrade to a headboard with shelves. These are perfect for holding books, small lamps, or even your alarm clock. Not only do they free up floor space, but they also create a cozy boutique hotel vibe in your bedroom. Window storage benches. If you're lucky enough to have windows with deep sills, turn them into a seating and storage area. A bench with built-in storage underneath makes a fantastic reading nook. You can store extra linens, shoes, or books inside while enjoying natural light and views. Add a few cushions and throws, and you'll have a cozy corner that feels like it belongs in a design magazine. Strategic mirror placement. Mirrors are the secret weapon for small apartments. They reflect light and make rooms feel bigger instantly. Place a large mirror opposite a window to bounce natural light across the room. Another great trick is mirrored closet doors, which make bedrooms feel more open and bright. Even a small mirror behind a door can give the illusion of more depth. Remember, it's not just about decoration. Mirrors are an interior designer's way of visually doubling your space. Floating furniture. The more floor you can see, the larger your apartment feels. Floating desks, vanities, or TV units are excellent options. These pieces are mounted directly onto the wall, keeping the floor clear and making cleaning easier. For an extra modern touch, install LED strip lighting under floating shelves or furniture. The soft glow adds warmth and depth, giving your apartment a high-end feel. Magnetic strips in kitchen and bathroom. Drawers and counters get messy fast in small spaces. A magnetic strip on your wall can solve that problem. In the kitchen, use it to hold knives or spice jars. In the bathroom, it's perfect for tweezers, scissors, or nail clippers. It's a simple, inexpensive upgrade that keeps essentials within reach while freeing up valuable storage space. Tall vertical storage. When you can't go wide, go tall. Use floor-to-ceiling shelving units or cabinets to maximize storage. Keep everyday items at arm's level and store seasonal things on the higher shelves. To keep the design balanced, use decorative baskets on the lower shelves and display items like plants or books in the middle. Vertical storage makes your apartment feel taller and more organized. Room zoning without walls. In studio apartments, it can feel like every activity, sleeping, working, and eating, happens in the same spot. To fix that, use rugs, curtains, or open shelving to create zones. A curtain track on the ceiling can give privacy around the bed. A rug under the sofa instantly defines the living room. These invisible dividers make your space feel more intentional without adding bulky walls. Over-the-door storage. Doors aren't just for walking through, they're storage opportunities. Over-the-door racks can hold shoes, cleaning supplies, or even pantry items. In bathrooms, they're great for towels and toiletries. This trick uses space that would otherwise be wasted, keeping clutter off the floor. Upright dish storage. If your kitchen feels too cramped, try upright dish racks inside cabinets. Instead of stacking plates, store them vertically. It saves space, prevents scratches, and makes everything easier to grab. It's a small change, but in a tiny kitchen, small changes add up. Adhesive wall hooks. Wall hooks are lifesavers in apartments. In the kitchen, use them for utensils, mugs, or towels. In the entryway, they can hold coats and bags. The best part is they don't take up floor space, and modern adhesive hooks come in stylish finishes like wood or metal, blending with your decor. Magnetic spice racks. Spices take up a surprising amount of space. Attach magnetic spice jars directly to your fridge. It looks modern, saves cabinet space, and keeps everything within reach. For a designer touch, choose identical jars with clear labels so the display looks intentional, not messy. Couches with pull-out beds. If you have guests but no extra room, a pull-out couch is essential. During the day, it's your sofa. At night, it becomes a comfortable bed. Keep things stylish, go for a neutral fabric and dress it up with colorful throw pillows that you can swap seasonally. Storage ottomans as coffee tables. Coffee tables often take up a lot of space without offering storage. Swap them out for ottomans that can open up. Inside, you can keep blankets, magazines, or board games. Place a tray on top for drinks or snacks, and you've got a stylish, multifunctional piece. Underbed storage. Your bed takes up a huge chunk of space, so make it work harder. Use slim rolling bins or drawers under the bed for clothes, shoes, or seasonal items. For a more seamless look, choose a bed frame with built-in drawers. This way, storage is hidden but always accessible. Cube shelves in closets. Closets in small apartments are often tiny. Instead of a bulky dresser, use cube organizers inside your closet. They're lightweight, affordable, and customizable. You can add baskets for socks, folded clothes, or accessories. This maximizes space without making your room feel cramped. Compact appliances and fixtures. When every inch counts, choose compact appliances. Slim fridges, narrow dishwashers, or mini washing machines can save you a lot of space. In bathrooms, wall-mounted sinks or corner fixtures keep things functional without eating up floor space. Many compact appliances also come in sleek, modern designs, so your apartment still feels stylish. Functional minimalist decor. Finally, in a tiny apartment, less is more. Every decor piece should serve a purpose. A fruit bowl is both storage and decoration. A wall clock doubles as art. Stick to a light color palette like whites, beiges, and soft grays, then add 1 or 2 accent colors to keep things cohesive. Minimalist decor keeps your apartment looking airy and avoids the heavy, crowded feeling that comes with too many items. So there you have it, 20 genius hacks that can completely transform your tiny apartment. Remember, it's not about how big your space is, it's about how smartly you use it. By using vertical storage, multifunctional furniture, and a minimalist approach to decor, you can make even the smallest apartment feel comfortable, stylish, and full of personality.